Today is Malachi'S birthday. He's 4 years old. I'm so excited. But like Rashida fashion, I waited until the last minute to do everything. So I am up, coffee in hand, about to do decorations. We have a busy day. We're going to the zoo. We're gonna get some lunch. We're gonna come back, we're gonna watch some movies, and then we're gonna cook out for dinner. I'm going to try to vlog the whole day, but I just want to focus on making sure that he has a good day. So I'll work on it. I will work on it. So I'm sitting here trying to get my bearings together. Because I know today gonna be crazy. Okay, let's go. Let's decorate before they get up. I want to have at least something put up before he gets up so he can walk down and see, and hopefully I get his reaction. So let's get started. So for the decorations, I ordered this kit off of Amazon, and it came with 88 pieces, and it was $18, $19, or $20. I don't know. I ordered a few of them because Nasir's birthday is at the end of this month too. So what it came with these leaves, which is part of the garland. It came with this banner, which was super cute, that says happy birthday, but it's a dinosaur. And then we have the tassel, which came in 4 colors. So you see the 4 colors here, and this is the DIY. You do have to put them together yourselves. And then this is the balloons for the garland. It also came with some tattoos, some instructions on how to put it together, or some suggestions on how to put it together. And then it also came with foil letters that says RAR, so ROAR. And then it came with a giant balloon, dinosaur balloon. It also included the straw to blow up the foil balloons, and some glue dots and some ribbon. So it's literally everything that you needed to decorate, and then I will show you the end result a little bit later. This is pretty much all that I got done before I had to get them dressed and start packing the car. The next thing on the agenda before we actually left was a little mini photo shoot in the front yard. I know I wanted to take pictures with him before we got to the zoo because he's a boy, he's very messy, and I just knew his outfit wasn't going to last throughout the day. So here we are. Y'all, I absolutely sucked at vlogging today. So I'm just gonna pretty much give you the recap. Sorry for the lighting, it's like really dark. It's about to rain. Woke up at 6. I was supposed to wake up at 3 and do the decorations, but that didn't happen. Of course, they got up at 7, so I didn't really have much time to do everything. I ended up doing everything in the end. So woke up at 6, started the decorations, started setting up. They got up, got them dressed. Then packed the car, and we went to the zoo. I really didn't vlog at the zoo, but I'm gonna see if I can get some videos from my sister, and I'll insert some pictures and stuff like that. So we went to the zoo, had a blast. And then we went for lunch. And that was nowhere special. That was just Wendy's. Then we came back and watched Jurassic Park, which they have never seen. We watched the first one. And Malachi was good up until T-Rex.
It's your birthday, it's your birthday, it's your birthday today. Put that finger at your mouth. Alright, let's see what Kai got.
Which one you open now? Which one you want to open?
Get the bag.
Get the bag.
Nope, get the bag first.
Get the bag.
Yep.
Put it on the floor.
Yeah.
Over here where we can see you. Over here where Diamond stand is so we can see you. Look at that car.
Who is that? Yes.
I didn't even know who that was.
Yeah, Pop will do it. Yeah, it transforms. It's a transformer.
That Bumblebee. Looks like Bumblebee from
The movie. Oh Lord.
Let me show you. All right, let's start up here. I think.
Wow, Diggies.
Yay!
And you got
So you should get him some bottom paper.
Wow.
Look, look.
Where's it coming from? Where's the sound coming from?
Inside.
It wasn't the best one.
It's coming. It's coming.
It's coming.
Yeah, this is good. I forget.
Yeah, this is why you had Pop Pop.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Nana wouldn't have did
Here's
this.
his head.
Neither Mommy wouldn't have did it either.
Nope, this one. What's in there?
What is it? Look at that. Yes, I like that candy.
That's yours.
All right. Now open it. Move with it. What is it? Oh my God! What is it? It's so cute. What color is it?
Oh my goodness. You can't ride it yet though, got the little safety thing
Right?
on.
Oh Lord. Party over. Y'all can go home.
I know that's right.
Everybody go home.
No. Meat cards, pictures.
Why you don't want to flex that?
My cake burnt. That's why they tell you to give it to you.
Nana, you can
You
use the
need no
black
black
side. Nana, you. It's this
No,